In 3, 2, 1, let's get into the video. As you can see, this is where I shared the signal. This is where price was, and it kept on skyrocketing upwards without looking back. It's still going up even now, but here we had a second target which was going to be reached, or which is at our 100th Fibonacci expansion line. I'm going to explain all of this to you in great detail. Just stick around. Let's get down into it. Thank you so much, guys, for clicking on this video, for subscribing, for liking and commenting. We are growing exponentially, and it's all because of you. Let's get down into it. I'm going to simplify today's video so that even if you're a beginner, you are able to follow on what's happening. Firstly, there's something which is called your moving average, right? It literally tells you the trend. Are we going up? Are we going down? If price is above the moving average, then we are what we call bullish, meaning that the buyers are in charge. All right, most of you guys have been asking me on my videos and also on WhatsApp the settings of the moving averages, so I'm just gonna share it with you guys now. Number one, guys, we are using what we call moving average. Okay, most of you guys know that. And we are using the exponential one because there's also simple and the smoothed and all of that. We are using the exponential one. Okay, we're using the exponential one. These are the settings. Okay, the short term one, it's your 14 EMA and your 21 EMA. So these are the indicators that you see on the screen. Let's get into it, guys. Let's get rolling. This is what happens here. Okay, when you have a crossover of the moving averages, is telling you about a certain direction that we are anticipating, or the state of the market that we are anticipating. All right, so look at what happened, guys. So this is just also like feedback on what was happening really on the group. As you can see, guys, price literally crossed over. So what happened is that you see this move to the upside. Price came back to that area, and look at what it gave us. It gave us this very nice pin bar. I'm quite very happy with it. Number one, why am I happy with it? It's gonna give us a very small stop loss area, because if you enter there, you just give your stop loss some room to breathe. So I'm quite very happy, as opposed to you having a very big pin bar and then you enter where it closes. Now look at this stop loss area. It's quite very big, right? We don't want that. So we took this trade, and then where did we put our take profit, guys? Went up. We want the distance of the previous impulse. Okay, so history has proven, or statistics has proven, that if you're gonna have an impulse to the upside and price corrects, when it comes back up, this distance should be equal to that other. So that's the principle that we use to set take profit most of the time. Okay, so that's what happened here, guys, and price literally came back again, and it came back again to give us another rejection. Okay, so this strategy is very simple, guys. You just put your moving averages, you wait for price to come back and retest it. You wait for price to come back and retest it. It's honestly that simple. So let me show you about the one that we got today. Price went up, corrected, gave us what we call an engulfing candlestick pattern, and look at that. It's been going up like crazy. So that's how I was able to identify it, and I was able to send it to my group as to say, guys, this is what's happening. Okay, now it's even continuing to go higher up. Everyone knows that. So to continue even going higher up. So currently, what am I seeing? This is what I see currently. All right, we are still bullish, so you're just gonna have to be patient and wait for price to come back to the moving average. When it comes back, you want it to touch your moving average and you want to see how it's going to react. So if it gives you a rejection and it closes, then you enter, you are in, you are confident. Okay, you can also identify the support as well and wait when price comes back to that area, and if it's going to give you a rejection and go all the way up. Very simple, guys. That's all I have for you. Please like the video if you found it helpful. See you guys on the next upload.